In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a purchase on eBay if you placed an order by mistake or simply changed your mind. eBay gives you a way to contact the seller and request a cancellation. The process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to eBay and make sure you're signed into the account you used to make the purchase. Once you're on the main eBay page, move your cursor over the My eBay section near the top of the screen. Hovering there will open a menu with several account options. From that menu, click on Purchase History. This is where eBay stores a record of the items you've recently bought, so it's the best place to locate the order you want to cancel. Take a moment to find the correct purchase before moving on, especially if you've ordered more than one item recently. Once you've found the order, look for the More Actions option connected to that purchase. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with additional choices related to your order. This menu gives you access to actions that aren't shown right away in the main purchase list. In that menu, click Contact Seller. This option allows you to reach out directly to the seller about the order. On eBay, cancellation requests are often handled through the seller, so this is the key step in the process. After selecting Contact Seller, you'll be asked if you want to cancel the order. Choose the cancellation option and follow the prompt shown on the screen. This sends your request to the seller so they can review it and decide whether the order can still be canceled. It's a good idea to make this request as soon as possible. If the seller hasn't shipped the item yet, there's a much better chance they'll be able to cancel it without any issues. If the item has already been shipped, the seller may not be able to stop the order, and you may need to wait until it arrives and then check the return options instead. Also, be sure to read any message or confirmation eBay shows after you submit the request, so you know whether your cancellation is pending or if any additional action is needed. And that's how to cancel a purchase on eBay by contacting the seller through your purchase history. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to submit your cancellation request quickly and smoothly.